Hey, are you tired of obsessing about carbs all the time? You know, the key to lowering your blood sugar isn't just cutting things out, but adding the right things in. Here are three powerful, science backed strategies to help you get your glucose under control for good.
First up, legumes like lentils, beans, and chickpeas. Their unique mix of protein and soluble fiber acts like an emergency brake for sugar absorption. Studies show that adding legumes to meals significantly flattens the blood sugar response, leading to better long-term control as measured by your HbA1c. Second, the tiny but mighty flaxseed. It's packed with a special fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Major scientific reviews confirm that regularly eating ground flaxseed can significantly lower your average blood sugar levels over time by improving your body's insulin sensitivity. Just add a tablespoon to a smoothie or yogurt. Our final tip isn't about what you eat, it's about how you eat. Eat your vegetables and protein before your carbohydrates. This simple change preps your digestive system, slowing down sugar absorption. Research shows this one trick can slash the post-meal glucose spike by up to 37%. So, add legumes, sprinkle in flaxseed, and change your food order. 3 proven strategies for better blood sugar. No extreme diets required.
If you found something of value in the video you just watched, I want to invite you to hit the like button and also subscribe to the Here's to Your Health channel so you'll be notified every time we publish something new and interesting. Once again, thanks for watching, and here's to your health.